Erdogan MZ. Related to Now or Never, and it's the business. Top progenitor Echo van Spieveld has produced offspring that succeed at the highest level, such as Caprice, Keros van Hoogeinde and Echo van het Gerendal Zat. This dam line is also highly esteemed, consistently producing international showjumpers generation after generation. Dam Atlanta has foaled two 135-level horses. Grand Dam Garlander competed in international 1.40 m classes and foaled the international 150-level showjumper Van Schijndel's Now or Never, ridden by Piet Rijmakers. Besides, Grand Dam Garlander is a sibling to the 160-level performer It's the Business of Jeff Glazart.